Hi guys, welcome back to Fishing in the UK. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of beach casting. So this is the setup I'm going to be using today. I'm using the old Pen 525 Mag 2. On here I've got 30-pound mono, I've got a 60-pound shock leader, and I'm using a plain 6-ounce weight. And on here I've just got a little weight link. Also to my reel I've got a little bit of rubber taped on here. That's pretty much just to give you some grip when you're casting out. All you do is you pull this over, put your thumb onto there, and that just locks your spool into place for when you're casting out. Because sometimes if your hands are wet and your line's wet and you try to do a big cast, the line just slips out of your hand. So your leader, make sure you've got 6 or 7 turns of your leader around there. You don't have to worry too much about the leader knot because of if you have a bit of rubber. If you haven't got the rubber on, make sure your leader knot's at either side of the reel so it doesn't rip your thumb. Say flies for fun. I'm just going to quickly reel that in. When you're reeling in as well, try and get your line quite level. It doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as it's quite level on the spool, should be fine for your next cast. This is quite thick line for casting distance in any way, but I like to use 30-pound mono for pretty much most of my fishing. There we go, nearly got it back. As you can see, my spool's pretty much full to the top. Just there, that's just the way I like it. You can have a little bit less if you want. There we go, as you can see you get quite a bit of power from that cast. So I think once you learn it properly, you'll be able to get out quite a distance, especially if you've got like a full cod bait on. But it's always good to practice this cast when there's nobody else around, because it can go a little bit wrong. Make sure you've got a good leader on, and make sure your knots are all nice and tight and capable of handling the cast. Well guys, I think that's all I've got time for today. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you soon.